Good morning. So today we're going to be talking about word problems. All right, mainly the word problems that lead to one or two step equations. All right, I want to first start by looking at some key words and phrases, just to kind of help us translate those words and those sentences into math. Okay, so we got sum, we got less than, we got opposite, product, number, quotient is. There are other ways that numbers will be presented to you in word form or operations. All right, but these are the main ones that I want you to look out for, and then label those problems while you're working through them. So when we see sum, right, that's referring to addition, so we know we're going to have a plus somewhere. Less than, we're going to have subtraction somewhere. If it's opposite, that's going to refer to like a negative number, all right, or like a negative x, okay. Product, then we're dealing with multiplication. If you see a number or the number, all right, that's referring to our variable x, all right. Quotient is talking about division. And when we see is, right, that gives you a hint about where the equal sign is going to be. All right, so those are just some key things to keep in mind. Let's look at a quick example. All right. So we have 13 less than the product of a number and 5, all right, is 42. So real quick translating, 13 less than the product, we have multiplication of a number, that's x, and 5 is, that's equal to 42. All right, so 13 less than, that means we're taking 13 away from a product of a number and 5. So if it's a product of a number and 5, that's going to be 5x. 13 less than that product of number and 5, so that means we're taking away 13. It seems kind of backwards, but we got to make sure we're careful about translating the language. All right, is equal to 42. So that sets up our two-step equation, all right, kind of nicely. All right, and then we can solve from there by adding 13 to both sides. All right, getting that 5x is equal to 55, and then dividing by 5. So we get that x is equal to 11. All right, let's set up just one more example. All right, and we're told that the sum of 13 and the opposite, all right, of a number, all right, is, what is that right here? It's 28. All right, so the sum of 13 and the opposite of a number is 28. So sum, we got addition, all right. The opposite of a number, that all together is going to give us negative x. All right, and then once again, is gives us that equals. All right, so we can set that up. 13 plus negative x is equal to 28. Subtract 13 from both sides. So we get negative x is equal to 15, and therefore x is equal to negative 15. Making sure that we divide by 1. All right, so that's a quick little rundown of word problems and translating them to set up equations. Hopefully you get the problems at the end of this, and I will see you next time. Peace out.